they clubbing, they chilling, they messing.
The fact is, I have never used condom in my life before. But I agreed to her terms because of the love I have for her. I mean, how can I enjoy toffee in its wrapper? Look, I'm even prepared to, go out with any girl who agreed to my terms.
You're right. You must do it raw, at least for once, to have the real taste and feel of her.
That's good. How about you taking the things and if I had seen you before, I wouldn't have gone in for Tina in the first place.
Casey, darling. You know what? I have really been waiting for this opportunity to let you know how I feel for you. The way I look at you, the way I admire you. Can we sort of start some secret affair?
No problem. And in that case, there's no need to waste time. Can I show you something in my bedroom?
Why not? Go on.
Let's go.
Casey, darling.
Well, I am like the hunter. I shoot any animal that comes my way. Beware, you are my next victim.
Venice, I've always been saying that I don't regret the first day I met you. I tell you from a warm hand, you don't turn that on.
Honorable. Honorable.
Oh, Venice.
Please, there's something I want to talk to you about.
What is it, Venice?
I'm pregnant.
What? You're pregnant?
Yes.
Venice, I hope you're not pulling one of those your jokes on me.
No, Honorable, I'm serious. I'm pregnant.
You are what? Pregnant? Venice, have you thought of what you said? Huh? You're pregnant. And what are you going to do about it?
I'm going to give birth. That's why I've not told you all this while. It's 5 months old.
5 months old? You're going to give birth? So you want to ruin my political career?
Honorable, I just want to have your baby.
I want to have my baby. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to me?
Okay, I will not tell anyone about it.
Won't tell anyone about it. Have you considered my political career? The president himself is nominating me for a ministerial appointment. Have you thought of the press? What they will think about me, what they will write about me. They will splash me in the news. Headlines. Honorable Johnson impregnates a 22-year-old girl. Have you thought of it?
Honorable, I've already had 4 abortions.
Oh, is it 4? I thought we was 3.
No, Honorable, 4. Besides, 5 months is too old.
Venice, please. They can do it. 5 months. There are competent doctors. They can do it. Please.
No, Honorable. I may die.
Just consider me. Consider what people will say. Just us. Eh? Please, I beg you. I beg you. Pennies, please. I beg you. I'll compensate you. I'll compensate you with 20 million cedis. 20 million cedis. I'll compensate you 20 million cedis.
No, but 5 months is too old. I can't do it.
Bernice, listen. I promise you, my first trip abroad as a minister, I'll buy a ticket. You are going with me. I'm telling you, Bernice, you have to do this for me. Consider my political career. Consider me.
Honorable, I can't do it.
Please. Okay, come to the office for 5 million tomorrow. 5 million.
5 million tomorrow morning.
Yes. Please.
Okay.
I love this. What is? You know, I feel set well.
What's the meaning of this?
Me don't love. Me hate.
Who be so proud me?
Oh, Pastor.
Oh, again.
Just chuck it. I'm just cleaning the blood.
Wow, look at all this.
You haven't been here long, huh?
Tina, where did you go?
What sort of question is this?
I said, where did you go?
Excuse me.
Tina, where did you go?
What do you think you're doing?
Will you answer the question?
Do you expect me to answer this question? Are you my husband? Nonsense.
Tina!
Now, let me tell you something. I don't ever want to see you in my house again. Do you understand? Don't even think of it. Don't even dream.
Tina, me?
Yes, you. Who the hell are you, by the way? Never again. Do you understand? It's finished. C'est fini. Finito. Capiche? Do you get it? Bye-bye.
Tina!
Never again.
We shall see her. We shall see.
Tina. Hello. Tina, you just missed Charles. He's been here for the past 3 hours, right?
I met him and I asked him not to come here again. Why? Who the hell is he to ask me details of my movement?
Oh, he's your boyfriend. Yes. And he has every right to know your movements.
Hey, what right? Huh? What right has he got to know her movement? Listen, this is why I don't call any of the men I date my boyfriend.
As for you.
They are my business partners.
Look, Gloria, get me something cold to cool my heart.
Oh, baby, I'll do.
No, let's go. It's okay. I think I haven't packed the car. I'll just go and park it.
Hey, Tina, relax.
Well, I support you.
Hey, Tina.
Tina, what? Shut your mouth and play.
Forget about it. Let's go. Whose turn was it? It's my turn. I don't even have any. So pick again. Oh. Got it.
Tia, only me dofwe. Ya, only me dofwe. Menti di obia beka. Hello. Did you get some of the money?
All you care about is money. Are you not even going to ask of my health?
Oh, honey, you are definitely okay. You know I'm going to the studio. Look at me. So you couldn't raise the money?
No. Sonny.
Please, don't make mockery of me again. Leave me alone and go away.
Why, you don't trust me?
No.
Okay. Here. I have some dollars here, which sums up to 5 million cedis. We could go to a bureau and change it.
Who gave it to you?
I told him I wanted to go for some computer classes.
Oh, that's great. Thank you. Come on, laugh, okay? Come on, laugh. Benny's ass. Only me dog way. Maintain you be a becker. When you want me to me now, dobra befi manu. Munim zoni biya biya. Oh, Venice. Only me dog way. Maintain you be a becker. Oh.
Okay, so why don't we rush to a bureau and change it now?
That's good. I'm going to studio.
My name is Charles, and I'm HIV positive. I might have a killer disease, but I'm not a killer.
What is? I'm just a bangarach about this HIV thing too much. What?
My brother, I don't agree with you. They want people like you and I to be careful not to contract the disease. That's all.
Look, Pastor. I think they are wasting resources just like that. Because malaria is more deadly than AIDS. They say about 200 people contract the disease every day. Can you tell me the number of people who contract malaria every day? Huh? I think malaria is more deadly than AIDS. So they better stop making this unnecessary noise.
No, my brother. I know malaria is also deadly. But malaria has a cure. HIV/AIDS has no cure. And that is why we should be careful not to contract the disease.
That is why condom is there to protect themselves. Those who want to wear it should wear it. I personally don't believe in condom. I still believe HIV/AIDS is acquired by destiny. That's all.
Exactly, Pastor. Me too, the same way. What me I believe is, if you are destined to have the disease, man, no matter what you want to do, you want to have it. No two ways about it. You want to have it.
Listen, condom is not 100% safe. It has now become prevalent because people now believe condom is 100% safe.
Oh.
But that's false. That's totally false. The best method is abstention.
Oh,
that's all.
Master, you think man I go there 24/7 without running his waist? Me can't do that. What me I believe is, if you are destined to have the disease, man, no matter what you want to do, you want to have it. Abstention.
Abstinence.
You love your lady, and you're not gonna love anybody else. That's all that.
Orrington call, another biarada. Orrington call, another biarada. Makama sema chinyami.
Charlotte, my flower. Medachi hima.
Obazi.
My future queen. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
You know something? You're looking beautiful this morning. Let me give you one powerful snap.
No.
Oh, come on.
You know I don't like that. Please.
Please, just let me give it to you, okay?
Then you see my face, eh?
Oh, come on, please. Just raise your head a little bit. Just like that. And give me a slight smile, right? Very good.
You're making me nervous.
Come on. Just keep quiet, okay? All right? All right. And give me a powerful smile, right? I love it. Powerful one.
Hey, what did
That's
you bring
great.
for me?
Oh, as usual.
Really funny.
You know, this is from my humble heart.
Thank you very much.
Oh, don't mention it, darling. Don't mention it.
You know what? I'll pay you a visit tomorrow evening.
God!
Shalom. Why are you wasting your time on a photographer like this? Look, this one, he has no money. He has no money to take good care of you.
Papa, don't say that. Paparazzi can take very good care of me. Look at what he bought for me.
Two Coca-Cola. Hey, what are we? You. Do you have money? Galashua. Uosika. Can you give me 50,000 cedis a day? Huh? If you can't, then leave her alone. Eh? Leave her alone. Answer me. Coca-Cola. Leave her alone.
Paparazzi, don't mind my father. I don't know what has come over him. All he cares about is money. Listen, you have the full support of my mother, okay? Give me a smile. Please. Let me see you. Let me see you. A smile for me.
Good.
Come.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
How much is the lux?
3,500.
And the sunlight?
2,005.
So how much do you make in a day?
Say, on a good day, I can make about, say, 30,000 cedis. 30,000.
And on a bad day?
One is 5,000. Yes, 5,000.
I see. Are you married? Why are you smiling? How old are you?
I'm 20 years. And my boyfriend say he has no money. So maybe next year.
I want to buy all the soaps.
Why, say? What do you need all these soaps for?
Just want to help you. It's how much?
Please, I haven't calculated.
12,
Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time. So beware. Beware. Oh,
Tia Bravo Yen to Boisier. Tidia Woya Bianina Botre. Okosajifa would me penny chair. Adia will be done a show will be a bre. So be Nima will be tray. Fesajina Midi said Bia one emre. The Jai said will come to pray. And I was a comment for your honor. You can't want our panty. Yeah, they say we don't want to hear now. She has said, so who you not going to bet your cratchy. Baba so cram my whoa, someone
life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead, you take today, determines tomorrow.